over here at the Dollar Tree and I found some stuff that would be really useful. We have finger protectors for pressing down glitter. We have dotting tools for cleaning up our cuticles. We have glitter holders. Blades for cutting if we want to do some acrylic cutting versus color block. If you're looking for an easy brush organizer or your micron pen organizers, you could use this too. Affordable for sure. Yeah, affordable. Dollar Tree if you have one in your area. Jars. I might use this for alcohol. It's a nice price. Pretty cool. Back again, here is a 6-piece artist palette. You can mix your watercolors, you can mix your alcohol inks in here. I know Double Dip is releasing art gels, and if you need to make a color, you could put them in here and mix them together. Very cool. Love it. And then over here, I was seeing these. Wanted to try to do a gel ombre and you didn't have any of the tools, you could hop out, grab one of these smaller ones here, and that would be very cool. You've got enough surface area to do some sponging. Lots of stuff.